Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base withdrawal proof of the website I should share with you during past videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are everywhere on the website and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from the website. Let's get started. Okay, this is the website. I have this much coin, a total claim this much, one time withdrawal, and just I click one withdrawal here to send me. You can see this much coin pay you to easily to faucet pay. I want to withdraw like a Feyorra. Okay, I just paste your Feyorra wallet address in here. After that, paste the coin you have available in your wallet address. Okay, I put my Feyorra wallet address and I put the coin and I just click withdraw to pay me instantly to my faucet pay. And you can see this website successfully paid to my faucet pay. I go to dashboard. You can see I have this much coin available, and I go to my faucet pay to share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. This website pay me or not. Okay, you can see this website pay me instantly to my faucet pay. This is about just this website pay you or not. Okay, this is the light website to pay you instantly to your faucet pay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and this website link available in description. Bye bye for now.